How to turn these ingredients into very delicious dish. I will use a dough from Asian store, about a pound of pumpkin, 4 medium onions and salt, black pepper and cumin to your taste. I will use a steamer pot for cooking. I use the food processor to grate the pumpkin. Then cut the onions very finely. Add chopped onion to grated pumpkin. Add salt, black pepper and cumin to your taste. Mix it all together. Now let's begin to make the dumplings. Get the individual wrappers, wet the edges of the wrapper with water. Place the filling in the center. I will add a piece of butter to make the filling tastier and juicier. Now fold it in half and seal the edges by pressing on them. Before placing them in the steamer pot, I will grease them with vegetable oil. So continue make the dumplings until you have your ingredients. Have fun! To cook the dumplings, I will use the steamer. So when the water boiled, place the steamer pads on and cover the pot. Steam them for about 30 to 35 minutes. When they're ready, place them on a serving plate. You can add some butter if you like. You can serve them with your favorite sauce or enjoy them just like that with your favorite salad. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.